National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Livingston County in central Illinois, west central Will County in north.
For our county.
Columbia County in northeastern Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Dwight, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Malzone around 4 p.m. Morris, Coal City, and Diamond around 4:10 p.m. Shanahan and Minooka around 4:20 p.m.
Yeah, there it is. We got the Weather Channel.
4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Verona, Kingsman, Carbon Hill, and Godley, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 216 and 248. Interstate 80 between mile markers 110 and 120. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central, north central, and northeastern Illinois. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Shit.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central, north central, and northeastern Illinois. Remains in effect until 8 p.m. and now includes the following county: Cook, Illinois. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
You can see it's obviously gotten a lot darker outside ever since 4.
Remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The reliable crew must clear the highway.
That's what it looks like right
Tornado
now.
watch number 163 remains. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County.
Oh, this is the one.
Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, western Cook County.
We might have QSCS tornado development.
15 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Batavia to near Minooka, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near West Chicago and Warren Hill around 4:15 p.m. Carroll Stream and Winfield around 4:20 p.m. Glendale Heights and Bloomingdale around 4:25 p.m. Naperville, Plainfield, Hanover Park, Lockport, Roselle, and Crest Hill around 4:30 p.m. Romeoville and Homer Glen around 4:35 p.m. Arlington Heights, Bolingbrook, and Rolling Meadows around 4:40 p.m. Wheeling, Woodridge, Royal, Darien, and Prospect Heights around 4:45 p.m. Downers,
Yeah.
Northbrook, Hinsdale, Burr Ridge, Westmont, Willowbrook, Clarendon Hills, Willow Springs, and Indian Head Park around 4:50 p.m. A tornado watch remains.
Oh,
in
please
effect
don't
until
have
8
a
p.m.
remain
for
alert.
Northeastern Illinois. For your protection,
Yes.
move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
All right.
This is NOAA
That's
Weather
that.
Radio. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a
Tornado warning.
Central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois.
Shut up.
Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 5:15 p.m.
This ain't for us.
At 4:49 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over
Torcy.
moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado.
Torcy.
Source, radar radar confirmed tornado.
There's an actual tornado.
Debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs,
The hell is that?
windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Westchester, Northlake, and Hillside around 5 p.m. Elmhurst, Maywood, Bellwood, and Broadview around 5:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Melrose Park, Forest Park, and River Forest, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 137 and 140, Interstate 290 between mile markers 13 and 20. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area.
River Forest and Forest Park, we go through.
Westchester is where we thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Livingston County in central Illinois, Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:15 p.m.
Oh, that's lame.
At 6:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Newark to near Cornell, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, Yorkville, Morris,
Wait.
Shanahan, Minooka, Braidwood, Coal City, Dwight, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Diamond, Gardner, Odell, Mazon,
Then Will
Newark,
was supposed to be under
Braceville,
it
and
if
South
Joliet's
Burlington,
in it.
including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 209 and 233. Interstate 80 between mile markers 107 and 122. This includes Gedhardwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, and William G. Stratton State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central, north central, and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until
What is the
8
point
p.m.
of
for
saying it
central,
twice?
north central, and northeastern Illinois.
The early ones are made of oak and hickory and ash, and he started using wood's hand. Just
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Boulder Hill to near Coal City, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Frankfort, Shanahan, Minooka, Braidwood, Wilmington, Crest
That
Hill,
wasn't
and
real.
Sherwood, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 269.
I was a minute off by my bet.
Interstate 80 between mile
A minute
markers
off.
123 and 149. Interstate
I bet it's
355 between mile
6:54.
markers 1 and 7, near mile marker 11, in between
And then
mile
I bet
markers
it's
13 and
6:54.
14. This includes University of
But
St.
I bet
Francis,
it's 6:54
Shanahan State
after
Park,
I
Chicagoland
said
Speedway,
6:51.
Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, and Lewis University. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. Remain alert for a possible
Oh,
tornado.
crap.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small
Second
central
time's
room
the
in a
charm.
sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio K.
That wasn't that long after the first SVR.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern DuPage County.
That wasn't even that
northeastern
far
Illinois
after our first
until
one.
7:30 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plainfield, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
SBC Plainfield.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Addison, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, Franklin Park, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burridge, Oak Brook, Westmont, Lisle, Darien, Villa Park, and Bentonville. Including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers.
We're under a severe thunderstorm warning now, and they're just, yeah,
Interstate 88
we are.
between mile markers 126 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 10 and 15.
They're relaying another one now.
355 near mile marker 12, and between mile markers 15 and 27. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, Morton Arboretum, and North Central College. A tornado watch remains in effect.
I don't know why they say it twice. It's the weirdest thing.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
The National Weather Service in Chicago
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for... I'm editing the video. What the hell? What is it with these warnings being issued like 2 minutes after each other?
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service.
The one that's on top of the
National
radio
Weather
shack?
Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for
Alright.
nearshore waters from
ER
Lake
210
Harbor to
abuse.
Calumet Harbor. Nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan
Insulting
City.
the ER 210 for being too loud.
To Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10
You can
p.m.
see.
At 6:58 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Miramar to 19 nautical miles south of Elgin to 11 nautical miles southwest of Joliet.
I thought these were
northeast at
severe.
35 knots. Hazard,
Don't tell me you're under a
wind
severe
34
thunderstorm
knots
warning
or
for
greater.
crap.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds
see.
and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
Alright, well, I'm expecting another alert at 7:03.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Will County in northeastern Illinois, western Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:08
wasn't
p.m.,
real.
a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Dwight, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Mantino, Peotone, Herscher, Limestone, Lakewood Shores, Essex, Bonfield, Buckingham, Cavalry, and Union Hill. Including the following interstate. Interstate 57 between mile markers 314 and 330. This includes Kankakee River State Park, Olivet Nazarene University, and Will County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until...
We're after the storm now. Hey, this is starting to get freaking annoying.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kankakee
Wow,
County,
storm of the
northeast
year for
Illinois,
sure.
North Central Ford County and East Central Illinois, northern Iroquois County and East Central Illinois until 9 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piper City, or near Gilman, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The strongest part of the storm is moving toward Ashcombe, Danforth, and Gilman. Source, radar indicated.
I remember Ashcombe having a tornado warning, I think,
Hail
last
damage
year.
to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Watseka, Moments, Gilman, Clinton, Onarga, St. Anne, Sheldon, Chubett, Ashcombe, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Washington, Crescent City, Danforth, Sun River Terrace, Beaverville, Donovan, Salmons Point, and Kempton. Including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 283 and 310. This includes Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, northeastern, and east central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, northeastern, and east central Illinois.